Hey YouTubers, Writer Bryn here, and today I'm doing an accessibility video. This video is how to get books on Bookshare onto your Kindle e-ink reader, your Kindle Fire, anything with the Kindle app, or for instance Voice Dream on iOS. I don't know if Voice Dream is available on other formats. We're going to make it a text file, so anything that will read a text file. So let's start by taking a look at Bookshare. If you're looking at this video, you already know what Bookshare is. So we're going to look for a book. I'm going to enter the book that's the current book club book, which is The Light Between Oceans, I believe. So we're going to take a look at that.
Clickable search keywords edit. Title,
And
author, T, H,
The
L,
Light
C, E,
Between
O,
Oceans,
S.
and press enter.
Search results Bookshare. Search results Bookshare. Clickable banner landmark navigation landmark list with 5 items. Link is Bookshare for me.
Alright.
Clickable skip to main content link.
Whoops.
Backclick main. Search results Bookshare. Search result.
Alright, so now we're on this page. We're gonna head to the book.
Clickable banner landmark is book. Get started link. Main landmark search results what for. Clickable The Light Between Oceans. Refine search heading level 2. Clickable The Light Between Oceans heading level 2.
And I found The Light Between Oceans.
The years-long New York Times bestseller, soon to be a major motion picture.
So that's the book I wanted, so I'm going to tab to the download button.
Read now link. Add to reading list link. Select a download format combo box collapsed. Daisy text only.
Okay, that's what you wanted, is Daisy text only.
Download button.
And we're going to enter on the download button. So now you're going to download this to wherever, hit enter and download it to wherever you download your books. And so I put it in downloads. We're going to alt tab to the downloads window.
Downloads window. Items view list. The Light Between Oceans Brenda Daisy text only .zip 1 of 2.
Alright, so this is the Daisy text only, The Light Between Oceans, the zip file. So now you application key on it.
Context menu.
And you're going to down arrow to whatever you have about extract. I use 7-zip. You may use WinRAR. You may use the built-in Windows. And again, to let you know, I'm on Windows 10. Built-in extraction. But whatever you want to extract this to a folder. So I choose extract to The Light Between Windows, because that will make a new folder called The Light Between Windows, and it will put all the files in there.
Open O. Upload to send. Open archive. Open archive. Extract files. Extract Yuri. Extract to The Light Between Oceans Brenda Daisy text only E.
Okay, and then you press enter, and we'll go into the next step.
Downloads window.
Alright, you now have it extracted, so go to the folder.
The Light Between Oceans Brenda Daisy text only 2 of 2.
So that is the folder. We're going to enter on that.
Tree view. Level 3. The Light.
Okay, now you want to find the file that has the name of the book, .xml. So I'm looking for The Light Between Oceans. Have I been saying oceans? I may have been saying windows. I don't know. The Light Between Oceans.xml. So let's find that file.
Daisy transform.xsl book 2005 3 html.css4 The Light Between Oceans.ncx 5 of 16 The Light Between Oceans.op 6 of 16 The Light Between Oceans.xml 7 of 16.
There it is, The Light Between Oceans.xml. Now you're going to open this file with Internet Explorer. No other browser will work. I have it set as a default, but you probably don't, so what you're going to do is application key on it.
Context menu.
And then you're going to down arrow to open with. And your context menu will have different things than my context menu does, but they will all have open with. So down arrow till you find open with.
Open O.
Not open, open with.
Edit E. Upload to send. Add to archive. Add to the light. Scan the light. Open with generic editor. Open with text editor. Open with hex editor. Calculate hash values. Share. Open with submenu H.
Okay, open with submenu. That's what we want. So we're going to right arrow to open it.
Internet Explorer I.
And there are a lot of things listed on mine. The first one's Internet Explorer. You want to up and down arrow until you find Internet Explorer and press enter.
The Light Internet Explorer.
Alright, so now this will open in Internet Explorer, and you'll have the entire text of the book plus the beginning stuff from Bookshare that you want to leave. You need to leave that there because that's all the information about where you got it from Bookshare and who it's for, and so you can show anybody who needs to know that, yeah, you have permission to have this book. This is a legal book. Alright, so you're going to listen to make sure that it says The Light Between Oceans, or the title of the book, the author of the book, and then start with notice. So let's down arrow and listen to that.
M.L. Stedman. Heading level 1, The Light Between Oceans. ML Stedman. Heading Level 1 Notice. This accessible media has been made available to people with bona fide disabilities that affect.
Okay, so we know that that's what it is, so we're going to do a Control A to select all.
575,533 characters selected.
Alright, now a Control C to copy.
Copy to clipboard.
Now you're going to open Notepad. So I just press
Start
Windows
window.
and type Notepad.
Notepad, desktop app 1 of 13.
Okay, and press enter on Notepad.
Untitled Notepad. Text editor edit multi-line.
And I'm going to Control V to paste. And then I'm going to do a Control Home to make sure it's there.
The Light Between Oceans. ML Stedman. Notice. This accessible media has been made available to people with bona fide disabilities.
Alright, so you have it pasted and you verified that that's what it is by down arrowing.
ML Stedman. Notice. This accessible media has been made available to people with bona fide disabilities.
And that is my heater that came on. Now you're going to press Alt.
File submenu Alt plus F.
And you're going to right arrow to Format.
Edit submenu Alt plus E. Format submenu Alt plus O.
Down arrow to Word Wrap.
Word Wrap check W.
And mine is checked. You want to uncheck that, so press Enter.
Untitled Notepad.
You don't have to do that, but it seems to make it cleaner. So now you have the book here. You're going to save it somewhere on your computer. Control S.
Save as dialog. Downloads. Tree view. Items view.
And I'm just going to save it to my Downloads folder. So give it a file name. Of course, I give it the file name, the name of the book.
Items view list. Name split button collapse. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N. Selected star.txt.
Okay, so I'm going to type in the light between oceans. And I'm just going to press Enter and that will save it.
The light between. Text editor edit multi-line.
So now I'm going to go to my Downloads folder, because that's where I saved my text file. You go to wherever you saved your text file. I'm going to find the TXT file.
Item, the light between oceans.txt 1 of 3.
Now, at this point, you can upload this to your Dropbox and use it to listen to on Voice Dream. You can listen to this text file on anything that will read a text document. You can do it with your Braille note. You can put it on your Victor Stream. I don't know if the NLS player does text or not. So at this point, this is a text document that you can use anywhere. Now notice your name is going to be in there. Your first and last name is going to be in this file about halfway down the notice. So your first and last name of who downloaded this book is in there. So don't be sharing. You shouldn't be sharing it anyway. For legal reasons, this was for you to use. So now you can either, like I said, use it in something that reads text. But I'm going to show you how to get it to your e-device because I use them on my Kindle e-ink reader and listen to it with the voiceover program on that. So what you do is you go to the text file.
The light between oceans Brenda Daisy text only.zip 2 of 3.
That's the zip.
The light between oceans.txt 1 of 3.
That's the text file, and I'm going to application key on it.
Context menu.
And I'm going to down arrow to send to Kindle. Now this is a program you can get on the Kindle website. There's a link in the description below. You download it and you install it and it adds it to your application key for text files. So I'm going to down arrow to send to Kindle.
Open O. Print P. Edit E. Upload. Add to archive. Add. Scan the light.
Again, your context menu will be different than mine.
Open with sub. Give access to sub. Scan with malware bytes. Send to Kindle.
And there's send to Kindle. I will press enter.
Downloads window. Items view list. The light between oceans.txt 1 of 3.
Okay.
Send to Kindle dialog.
This is the send to Kindle dialog, and you're going to tab through and listen to it.
Cancel enter button Alt plus
you're going to go. Let's tab again.
Options enter button Alt plus O. Edit. Selected the light between oceans.
Alright, so this is the title field. The first edit field is a title field. It says the light between oceans. I'm going to leave that.
Author. Alt plus A edit. Selected
now,
Nora Roberts.
The author field has the last author that you entered. You have to enter the author yourself, or you can leave it blank. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to enter M.L. Stedman. And now you can tab, and it will have a list of the devices that Amazon knows you have. So it will have a list of anything that you have a Kindle on, like an iPod or Android device or an iPhone or whatever.
List. Brenda's second Android device not selected.
I have a lot of devices, so I'm going to down arrow to my Kindle.
Brenda's third iPod Touch. Brenda's Android. Brenda's big tablet. Brenda's Fire. Brenda's Kindle checked.
Alright, and it's going to stay checked with the last thing you use, so if you've already used this before, you don't have to worry about this field.
Checkbox checked.
And I will tab.
Send enter button Alt plus S.
And I will press enter on the send button.
Send to Kindle dialog uploading your document. Cancel enter button. OK enter button.
Alright, so the upload is complete now, and it is on your Kindle, ready to read. You can, again, use this text file anywhere that you listen to text books. This is an easy way to get Bookshare wherever you want it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And if you subscribe, it really helps me. Thank you. Bye-bye.